11 years ago, everything was quite good, and 40 of you were here 11 years ago. The names are there on the plate, and this is particular a very fine thing for us to see that people come back here. Now, my big problem was to wear for 11 years the same T-shirt. So now I can fortunately change it. Now I take out these old T-shirts. The championship is open. I want to thank the international class, in particular Andrew Davis, that support us for 2 years in organizing the event. I present you the international jury. That is the chairman is Mr. Franco Sartori. Then we have Mr. Adrian Bauder from Switzerland, Mr. Shirley from France, Mr. Stenk from Germany. Then we have Mr. Cuccotti, this is the principal race officer, that was principal race officer also in the Worlds in 2001, so you know very well him. Then we have Mr. Rossi, that is in the race committee, and me, that now I am a judge, and so I can stay not in the boat, the rubber boat, but I am in the race committee also. Now I want not to tire you with many words. Thank you very much to be here. We try to do our best to manage in the best way this event. Let's hope on the wind, but on this we have no, unfortunately, any possibility to change the situation. We will have north wind and not the usual southwest wind that is very good for sailing, but also with north wind that is very changeable, it's more technical, and so you will manage this strange wind in the best way. Now will speak Mrs. Maya Sutter, that is the European Commodore.
Noi siamo molto contenti che così tanti equipaggi si sono iscritti a questo bel posto. Siamo 105 barche di 11 paesi. Benvenuto a tutti e auguro una bella settimana e un campionato fantastico. We are very satisfied that so many teams have found a way to come back to Bracciano, where we have very fond memories. And it's 105 boats which are measured and registered from 11 countries. So I wish everyone a wonderful week with hopefully fantastic wins and a really, really great championship. I would like to thank the club for hosting us again. We all have really great memories from the event 2001 and are looking forward. You see what all our propaganda has done that we did at home. So we thank you very much for hosting us again.
Thank you, Maya, for your words. That will give us more strength to do the best.